The pocket-facing toolpath is similar to the facing toolpath, except that the tool will not clean up all of the stock to the outer stock boundary. Instead, it will only clean up all the stock to the part boundary. If I want to clean up all the stock past the part boundary using this toolpath, I'll need to create geometry at the stock edge to select for the toolpath. For this part, the other side of my turbo housing, I'll use the pocket-facing toolpath. From the 2D toolpaths, I'll select Pocket. I'll chain the outer edge and accept this selection. I'll select the Tool tab, then select Library Tool, Filter. I'll clear the selections and then select a 1-inch flat bottom end mill. I'll set the cutting speed to 1100, the feed per tooth to 0.01, enable the rapid retract, set the plunge rate to 50, and I'll add the comment face top apart. I'll select cut parameters, and as the pocket type, I'll select facing. I'll make the overlap 70% of the tool. Make both the approach and exit distances 1 inch. Remove the stock to leave on walls and floors. And then select the roughing tab. I'll ensure there is a check in the roughing box. Select the zigzag pattern. Set a 70% step over. Then select the finishing tab. I'll enable the machine finish passes only at final depth and finish the outer bound. I'll make sure keep tool down is unchecked. This is because I do not want the tool to wrap it through the material outside of the part profile. I'll select the depth cuts, enable the checkbox, and add one finish pass at a depth of 0.015. Since there's only 0.05 to come off the top. I'll turn on the flood coolant and accept these selections. Notice how the cut lines clean up the entire top surface, but only to the extent of the part profile, not to the extent of the stock. I'll verify this toolpath. This looks good, but I'll rewind the simulation and step it to see how the tool enters the cut. I can see that the tool does plunge into the material, so the default helix rough entry failed. That's fine since the depth of cut is only 0.035 for the rough pass and 0.015 for the finish pass. I'll exit the simulator and save my work.